Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about UKG Pro tutorial, how to manage HR, payroll, and workforce. So first, what is UKG Pro? UKG Pro is a leading human capital management or HCM solution that helps businesses manage HR, payroll, talent, and workforce planning, all in one cloud-based platform. It's used by mid-size to large organizations to streamline HR processes, improve employee experience, and ensure accurate payroll. Now, on getting started with UKG Pro. First is log in. Access the portal via your company's custom UKG Pro URL. Then use your company provided username and password. Note, bookmark the login page for quick access. Now, a navigation overview. For the home dashboard, it is personalized view with quick links, tasks, and announcements. While the menu button, it accesses modules like HR, payroll, time management, benefits, and talents. Now on managing HR tasks, for the employee records, go to My Team, then Employee, Summary. View and update personal info like name, address, and contact, emergency contacts, job history, and documents. Onboarding new employees, go to recruiting, then go to onboarding. Set up tasks like background checks, document submission, and welcome training. Track onboarding progress for each new hire. For performance management, launch performance reviews through talent, then go to performance reviews. Now set goals, give feedback, and conduct evaluations online. Now, on managing payroll. For payroll processing steps, first, gather payroll data like time entries, bonuses, and deductions. Next, review payroll batch. Go to Payroll Gateway, then validate hours, taxes, and benefits. And lastly, submit payroll. Finalize and submit for processing. UKG Pro handles tax filings automatically. Then view pay statements. Employees can access pay, then go to pay history. Download past pay stubs like W-2s or T4s, which is available in Canada. Now for deductions and benefits. Manage deductions like insurance, premiums, 401k contributions, and flexible spending accounts under benefits, then deductions. Now on managing workforce scheduling and time. For timekeeping, use time management, then go to time dashboard. Employees clock in and out, request time off, and view schedules. Managers approve timesheets and overtime. Now, leave management. Submit PTO or paid time off or sick leave requests. View accrual balances in time, then time off balances. For shift scheduling, manager creates shifts and assign workers. Employees can swap shifts or pick up open shifts with manager approval. Now for reporting and analytics. Access business intelligence reports to create custom reports for turnover rates, overtime costs, diversity metrics, and payroll summaries. Some tip is use dashboards and visual graphs for easy reporting to executives. Now, this has a mobile app access. Download the UKG Pro mobile app. View pay stubs, clock in or out, submit PTO, and access HR info on the go. Now, some of the advice that I can give you is first, keep employee info updated. Next, review payroll data carefully before submission. Third, train managers and employees to self-serve basic tasks via the portal. And lastly, use BI analytics for strategic decision making. And that's basically it.